Before now, if you are trying to lip sync a video or an image like this.
Hello, welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to start an AI channel using an AI talking character like me. Let's listen to Learn with Leesi as he demonstrates in detail how you should go about it.
You will have to combine several tools to do it. But what I will show you in this video will change everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these 3 types of videos using just one single website.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. It ain't but 24 hours in a day.
How you can lip sync a character like me to say anything that you want.
And I ask you to open up my spirit, my spirit.
Welcome to Learn with Leesi. Please drop a comment under this video.
I'm going to explain in detail everything you need to know to create this kind of videos like this. Now let's get started. First step is to go to your web browser, then you search for this website, LipSync.video. This website is available on your mobile phone and also on your laptop. I'm using my laptop to record this video so that I can explain perfectly to you. The first website that you see here, make sure you click on that. This is the interface of the website you are going to see. From here, you will see sign in. Click on that sign in to quickly sign in to this website. Immediately you sign in, they are going to give you 500 credits for you to start generating any video at all. After signing from this website, there are basically 2 major tools available on this website. Here we have lip sync tools and then we have AI video tools. Under lip sync tools, we have AI lip sync and then we have AI baby podcast, talking photo, AI cartoon lip sync, talking animals, talking avatar, and AI drawing lip sync. We are going to come to this later. Then under AI video tools, we have AI video duping, meaning you can generate character dialogue videos right from here. Also, we have AI video translate. For this video, we are going to focus on the 3 major tools on this website, which is the AI lip sync, talking photo, and the AI baby podcast. Let's start with the AI lip sync video. Click on the AI lip sync. When you scroll down, so from here you can upload a video, but you need to pay attention to this. You are asked to upload a video that the face is facing directly at the camera so that the mouth can be used for the lip syncing. So that's the kind of video you should upload. Now if you scroll down, these are different sample avatars you can use right from here. So what we are going to do now is to upload a video, and to upload a video you can either record your face talking to the camera and use that, or you can use Veo 3 to generate an animated video that you can use. So let's assume you have generated a video using Veo 3 and you want to lip sync that particular video. What we are going to do now, just tap on upload video and it's going to allow you access to upload a video from your device. And right here you can see that my video has been uploaded. So from here we are going to select our model. We have 2 available models right from here. We have the LipSync 1.0 model and we also have the LipSync 2.0 model. I'd advise you go with the LipSync 2.0 model as that will give you a very good output. So we are going to scroll down under here and this is where you can enter in your text. So here you can click on upload audio. So from here you can upload an audio file that you want to use, or you can click on record audio for you to record audio directly to this website. But for this, let's just go on with the input text. So for this input text, I'm going to just type what I want this character to say. After typing in that, then come down here and this is where you select the voice to use under your video. Here we have available different voices that you can use. So for this, I'm going to just go with this lady's voice. You can click on this play option to listen to how this voice sounds like.
The most cutting edge AI lip matching technology.
So you listen to them, the one you like, simply click on that. Once that is selected, come down here and click on confirm. Good. So now you can select neutral from here. So this is the kind of voice tone that you want to go for. If you click on this setting icon, you can set the speed of the voice, the volume of the voice. You can set it from here, but we are not going to set all. Then another thing here, you can enable subtitles over this particular video. If you want the subtitles to be on the video, you leave this on. But if you don't want any subtitles to be on your video, you simply click on that to turn that off. I'll just leave that on for now. And then we'll go ahead and click on the generate option here to start generating our video. While that video is still generating, let's move on to the second video, which is the talking photo. We'll come back to the website and from here you'll see the talking photo option. Quickly just click on that and it's going to take you to another page, and then from here you scroll down. This is where you upload the photo you want to use for your talking video. We have other characters, we have other avatars that you can select from right from here. So if you want to do that, you simply just go ahead and select the available templates on this website. We have the 16 by 9 aspect ratio. If you are going for a YouTube landscape video, you can simply just select the available characters from here. Let's assume you already generated an image that you want to use for your talking avatar, and that is the image you are going to use. So you just click on upload, and from here I'm going to just go down and select the character for me to use. So let's say, for example, this guy. I'll just select the guy, and then from here you click on open to upload that image. Once your image has been uploaded, then you can proceed. So this is our image uploaded. Now we are going to come here and select the model that we are going to use. Here we have available 4 models that you can go with. We have talking photo 1.0, we have talking photo 2.0, we have talking photo 3.0, and we also have talking photo 4.0. I'd advise you go with the talking photo 4.0, as that is going to give you the best effect on this website. So once your model is selected, it's time for you to scroll down, and then the same thing we did for the first video. You can enter in a text, or you can upload an audio, or you can record an audio. So for this video now, we are going to just type in a text. After inputting your text, then you come down here, and this is where you select the voiceover you want to use. So there are different voiceover you can pick from here. I'm going to just select one of these voiceover and then click on confirm. Then after that, we enable the subtitle. I've just explained this in the previous video, and then we'll click on generate to start generating our video. Before we take a preview of the 2 videos we have just generated, let's go ahead and now talk about the AI Baby podcast on this website, as this is going to be very helpful for most of you that want to start any faceless content on any social media app. So from here, you click on AI Baby podcast, and it's going to open up. Once it opens up like this, then you can then scroll down, and on the left hand side here, this is where you upload the photo of the baby you want to. Let's assume you have generated a character that you want to use, a baby character that you want to use, and then you are going to click on this upload option to upload that photo. But let's not use that option for this particular one. Let's go down here and select any baby character that we have available here. So let's say this particular baby right from here. Once that character is being selected, this baby, see how beautiful that baby is. Once it's been selected, then we can now go ahead to select a model that we want to use. So for this particular model, you can go with, we have 4 models available here, anyone you can choose from. But I'm going to choose the talking photo 4.0 model. I'll select that and then come down. So for this particular example, we are going to be using the upload. How do you get this audio to use? To get this audio to use, we are going to go to TikTok and look for an audio for us to use in this particular case. All right, when you go to TikTok like this, on the search page here, we are going to just search for, you can search for a talk show, or you can search about anything at all, whether talks about life or motivational talks, because this is the audio we are going to be using. So for this particular one, I'm going to just search for talks. So here there are different videos right from here. So I'm going to just select one particular one. Or before we do that, let me just search for talks about life. So let's say, for example, I like this guy's voice. So I'm going to just select, let's say we like this particular audio and we want to use that. What we are going to do now is to now go ahead to download this video. To download this video, if you are using your laptop, just right click on the video and you see the download option. But if you are using your mobile phone, I believe most of you know how to download video from TikTok using your mobile phone. So I'm going to click on download video, and this video is going to be downloaded. The next thing we are going to do is to convert this video from MP4 to an MP3 file. So to do that, we'll open another website. So on your web browser, just search for MP4 to MP3 converter and then enter. So here you are going to see free converter that you can use. So click on anyone that you like, and then you are going to enter in, select the file. So click on file, and then from device. So we are going to select this video that we have just downloaded, and then click on convert to start converting this video to an MP3 for us to use. So the converting is done. So click on download. So we'll come back to this website. So instead of using text, we are going to use upload audio. So click on upload audio up to 30 seconds. So we are going to click on that, and then we select that audio which we are just converted, click on open, and that audio file is going to be uploaded. Now, if you want to create content more than 30 seconds, what you can do from here is to create batch by batch. Now that our audio has been uploaded, you can decide to enable subtitles, or you can go ahead to generate your video and then use another software to add subtitles over your video. So I'll enable subtitle, and now I'll go ahead to click on generate. Now to access all the videos that we have been generating, you need to come down here where you see my creations. Look at it, my creations. Click on that and it's going to take you to another page so that you can preview all your videos. So now when you come here, you can see these are all the videos I've just generated. So you can click on this preview option to take a preview of how the video looks like. I'm going to show you all this video at the end of this video. So you can go ahead now to click on this download option to download it. So this is how you use this website to generate content like this and start posting on. Thank you guys for watching. I've left the link to this website in the video description, so kindly go there and click on the link to access this website. It's also going to be in the comment section of this video, so do that and start using this website. Let me know in the comment section of this video any video you want me to create, and I will do that.
How you can lip sync a character like me to say anything that you want.
Welcome to Learn with Leesi. Please drop a comment under this video.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day.